morning guys, and welcome back to Damo Drives, bringing real reviews to real people and answering some of those questions other channels might not talk about. It was around 4 years ago that Hyundai shocked the hot hatch market by releasing their first ever hot hatch. That was the i30n. I drove that around 3 years ago and I loved it. It was utterly brilliant. It looks cool, it was full of tech, really good value for money, and it drove fantastically well. Well, that wasn't really surprising. The fact that Albert Biermann, who was responsible for some of the best M cars from BMW, came to work for Hyundai, and they developed this car here. Now, this is actually the model year 2021 Hyundai i30, and I'm gonna reminisce and take this round. Well, yes. I'm here at Millbrook Testing Ground, so I'm really looking forward to having a look around it again, because I fell in love with this car. It was such a good drive, so much fun. And also I'm going to be taking out its smaller brother, the i20n. So let's get going then. But before we do, please click on the subscribe button and notification bell and you'll be alerted before new videos come out. Let's get going, because really looking forward to this. Welcome to the inside of the i30n Performance. So let's get going onto the hill climb. Start it up, again, start button. Lovely 6-speed manual. Right, we're off to have some fun on the alpine hill climb, whatever we want to call the actual route. So again, it's very similar to the i20n in here, same sort of screen. Something about this as well, it's got the analog dials as opposed to the completely digital in the i20, which I think does look better. You've got to remember that's only just come out. This is a revised version of the i30, so there's not a huge amount of changes. I think there's a slight, another 5 bhp on this, so it's like 275-ish. Suspension has been slightly changed. You've got bigger bump stops, thinner anti-roll bars, so there's just subtle tweaks with this at the moment. So nothing major, but it was a pretty blooming good car in the first place. So it'd be nice to be able to push this thing a bit harder on the test route, on this handling course, because it is just brilliant. So let's get, these seats are nice and supportive. Again, we've got the flag over on the right for ultimate attack mode, which we'll definitely be putting in very shortly. Again, got the same drive mode, so we can go around over here, so you can see eco, normal, sport, and you can have customize it as well, so you could change the throttle response, the dampers, because it's got adaptive dampers, loads and loads of different things you can actually change on this just to get it set up. Now, on the public road, I know this thing is firm. I mean, really firm. So normally I found public road stuff, it was better to have soft suspension, but this sort of thing I'm going to put it in its most aggressive, so where ESC is off according to this, so we're in its most aggressive setting. We've got limited slip diff, we've actually got torque vectoring as well, so it'll brake the inside wheel to get maximum traction and fire you out the other side. Obviously more torque than the i20, more power. Well, it's a bigger 2-litre turbocharged engine. Lovely gearbox, rev matching, pops and bangs. This thing is pretty quick. I mean, 60 in 6.1, so this is well up there with the best hot hatches on the market, and it's like 30 grand, which I think is a very good buy. We're up against the likes of the Focus ST, not quite the RS, although they don't make the RS anymore, so that's not a problem with that. Golf GTI. Now this is where the diff should really come into its own. Oh, this is awesome. Not too much talking at the second. You really can progress on. Yeah, up the inside, very kind of him. Whoa! Hard on the brakes. Hold it, and then you can accelerate really early with this diff. Yeah, this is a fantastic car. Very different to the i20. I'd actually say the i20 is potentially a better car all round, but you have got the option in here of changing the suspension so you can make it softer for the public roads. But get on these brakes. Yeah, hard over the top. Wow, that was an impressive impressive drive. Really enjoyed that one. So hopefully guys you did as well. Can't recommend this car enough. It really is good value for money. A lot of bang for your buck, literally bang for your buck. But it's so much fun. It puts a big grin on your face. Hopefully the grin has come through. And hopefully you guys have enjoyed this blast round Millbrook in the i30n Performance. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. I really have. So a big thank you to Hyundai UK for lending me the car. Just a quick thing while we're pottering back the infotainment system, we'll have a quick look at this. So you've got an updated map over the previous model, nav. So there's so many things in here. You've got setup. It's a bit of a minefield with the amount of things you've actually got in here. I mean, really, I can't cover it in this video. I mean, 20 minutes with a car. Running through all of that, you'd probably spend 20 minutes or so, if not more, just talking about this area here. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, hopefully you've enjoyed this one. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. Comments are always welcome. And remember to click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.